Here's how to follow people on Roblox. Now, on your iPhone, Android, or computer, open up the Roblox app, and we're going to tap on the More button at the bottom right. From here, let's scroll down until we get to Settings and tap on that. We need to make sure the option to follow you and other people is turned on and enabled. To do that, we're going to tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. And from here, we're going to do two things. First, we're going to tap on Visibility and Private Servers. And then Visibility on here, Online Status and Show Current Experience. Once you follow somebody, if you want them to be able to join you in a game, this needs to either be set to everyone, or it could be set to connections, followers, and people I follow. After you've done that, let's go back one and go back another, and then tap on Connections and Contacts. And from here, I would highly recommend turning on Friend Discovery. This allows other people to find and follow you that you might know. After you've done that, we can hop out of here completely, so exit out of the settings. And you have a couple options. One option is to tap on the search bar at the top right. And from here, we can just type in somebody's name or their username, let's say Trevor, and then go over to People, and then go to it from there. So that is one option, go to their profile. Another option is just to tap on somebody's profile that you're already connected with and tap on View Profile. Even though I'm connected with this person, that doesn't mean I'm following them. To be able to follow them, I'm going to tap on View Full Profile. And then from here, you can see I can join them in a game and they have 13 followers. To follow, I'm going to tap on those three dots and tap on Follow. Just like that, I am starting to follow them. Again, I can do this on anybody by searching them or opening up my chats or anybody that I play games with.